Once upon a time, in a small village on the banks of a great river, there lived a father named Sam and his young son, Kevin. Sam was a simple man who worked in the fields all day to provide for his family. He loved his son dearly and saw in him his hope and future. Kevin, on the other hand, was a curious and smart child, full of enthusiasm and a love for exploration. He constantly asked his father many questions, eager to learn more about life and the world around him. One evening, after Sam had finished a long day of work, Kevin sat next to him and looked up at the starry sky. He asked his father, "Dad, why are the stars so far away?" Sam smiled and replied, "My son, the stars light our way and always remind us that there are big and beautiful things in this world worth striving for. They remind us to dream and to pursue our dreams, no matter how far they seem." As the days went by, Kevin grew older and started helping his father in the fields. However, deep down, he harbored greater ambitions. He yearned to see the world beyond his small village. One night, Kevin sat with his father and shared his dream. "Dad, I want to travel and see new places. I want to learn new things and become someone you can be proud of." Sam looked at his son with love and pride, but he also felt a bit of worry. He knew that the world outside their village could be harsh at times, but he believed that Kevin had the heart and mind strong enough to face any challenges. Sam said, "Kevin, the world is vast and full of opportunities, but also full of risks. If you want to travel and explore it, you need to be prepared. I will support you in every step, but remember, your wisdom and patience are your weapons on this journey." Kevin began preparing for his journey. He saved the little money he earned from working with his father and learned new skills. On the morning of his departure, Sam and Kevin stood at the gate of their home. Sam took his son's hand and said, "Remember, my son, no matter how far you go and no matter what adventures you embark on, there will always be a place here in our village and in my heart for you. If you ever feel lost, look up at the sky and remember we share the same stars." Kevin set off on his journey. He traveled through mountains and plains, passed through large cities and small villages. In every place, he faced new challenges, but he always remembered his father's advice. Kevin learned from every new experience, growing wiser and stronger. In a distant city, Kevin found a job at a factory. The work was tough, but Kevin was dedicated and quickly proved himself. Thanks to his intelligence and hard work, he started receiving promotions and recognition from his colleagues and superiors. Over time, Kevin became responsible for a team of workers and gained great respect. Despite his success, Kevin never forgot his father or his village. He regularly sent letters to Sam, telling him about his adventures and achievements. Sam read the letters with pride and longing, keeping them in a small wooden box by his bedside. Years passed, and Kevin became a successful and strong man. But he always felt that something was missing. He longed to see his father and return to the village. Finally, he decided to return to his homeland, to spend time with his father and relive his childhood memories. When Kevin arrived at the village, he found his father waiting for him at the gate of their home, just as he had always done. Though Sam had aged, the love and kindness in his eyes remained unchanged. Kevin ran toward his father and hugged him tightly, saying, "Dad, I've come back, just as I promised." Sam smiled and said, "I knew you'd return one day, my son."